4.
Alright guys, so we just did a fun run against a tuned and bolt-on Kia Stinger GT. I think he ran an 8-second flat, but we did a chase down video, so we gave him between a 1.5 to 2 second move, and then came on the throttle slowly, and we crossed the line. Yeah, we crossed the line almost at the same time. So, amazing run. Forgot the GPS and the telemetry equipment, so that's one of the reasons we just did a fun run. I'm guessing he probably ran between 6 and 6.5, trap speed normal, 100, 103. So yeah, stay tuned.